Most people get this wrong when trying to start a US LLC from Pakistan, and it often leads to delays, rejected applications, or banking problems later. The biggest mistake you need to avoid is thinking you need to be physically in the US or have US residency. Here's the truth no one tells you. You can legally start a US LLC from Pakistan in 2026 without leaving your home if you follow the correct steps. In this video, you'll learn exactly how Pakistan-based entrepreneurs can register a US LLC, what documents you need, how taxation actually works, and how to set up banking and payments correctly. This matters because thousands of freelancers and agency owners in Pakistan are now going global, but many get stuck during setup. Let's start with the basics. A US LLC is a limited liability company registered in a US state like Wyoming, Delaware, or New Mexico. It allows you to operate internationally under a US business structure. Now here's where it gets interesting. The entire process is remote, and most of it is handled online through registered agent services. Step 1 is choosing your state. Wyoming is the most popular choice for beginners because it has low annual fees, strong privacy, and simple compliance rules. Delaware is better if you plan to raise investment or build a more complex company. New Mexico is cheaper but less commonly used for banking setups. Step 2 is selecting a registered agent. This is required in every U.S. state. A registered agent is a service that receives legal and government documents for your LLC. Without it, your company cannot be legally formed. Many foreigners use services like Northwest or Zen Business because they simplify the process. Step 3 is filing your LLC formation documents, called the Articles of Organization. This is submitted to the state where you choose to register. You provide your business name, registered agent details, and ownership structure. Once submitted, approval usually takes a few business days. Now here's the part where most beginners make mistakes. After forming your LLC, you need an IN from the IRS. This is your business tax ID. As a non-US resident from Pakistan, you typically apply using Form SS4. In some cases, you may need to call the IRS or use a third-party service to complete the process smoothly. Step 4 is opening a business bank account. This is often the hardest part for non-US residents. Traditional banks usually require physical presence. So many entrepreneurs use fintech platforms like Mercury or Relay that support international founders. This is essential for receiving client payments globally. In a minute, here's what most people miss. Your LLC is not just about registration. You must also understand compliance, including annual reports, possible state fees, and tax filing obligations depending on your business activity and where your clients are located. To summarize, starting a US LLC from Pakistan is completely legal and fully remote. You choose a state, hire a registered agent, file your LLC, get an IN, and open a business bank account. The key is doing it step by step without skipping compliance requirements. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for more global business setup guides, and comment what kind of business you are planning to build from Pakistan.